with those details from Ground Zero. We'll continue to track it, but for now, we leave it to that. From this, let's shift our focus to news that we're tracking from Karnataka, where Directorate of Revenue Intelligence has arrested Kannada actor Ranya Rao on charges of gold smuggling. In fact, the Kannada actor was allegedly carrying 14.8 kgs gold when she was detained at the Kempegowda International Airport of Bengaluru on the intervening Sunday night. The actor was checked after it was found that she was frequently traveling to Dubai. During checking, it was found that the actor was wearing the gold and concealed the jewelry in clothing. Now, she has been sent to judicial custody for 14 days. The Kannada actor is the stepdaughter of a senior IPS officer, K. Ramachandra Rao. He currently holds the position of Director General of Police at the Karnataka State Police Housing Corporation. The DRI is now investigating if the actor is part of a larger organized gold syndicate or not. In the past 14 days, she had traveled to Dubai at least 4 times. Let me cut across to Neha Hebali, who's keeping us ahead on that development. Neha, good morning once again. Given the fact that the seizure that has been made is an incriminating amount, more importantly, with what the agency will be looking at very essentially here is whether this was a standalone act or is she part of a larger syndicate? Because their evaluation of what has been seized also is at least 10 crore plus.
Well, that's right, Nivedana. It was on the intervening night of Sunday that, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence officials there decided that, this time around they wouldn't let, Ranya Rao there really pass by or bypass the security. And why, of course, they had their suspicions in the first place were her frequent visits to Dubai. About 4 times in the past 2 weeks alone is what we're being told. And following their suspicion now, of course, they decided to stop her at the Bengaluru airport there, and upon frisking her is when they found a significant quantity of gold on her. About 14 kgs is what was seized from her, is the information that's just come in right now. Of course, this was worth more than 12 crores, but the bigger question, of course, now arising about whether was she acting alone? Was this a part of a larger crime syndicate? Is the syndicate, of course, if at all there is a syndicate, then are there others involved, who are possibly placed out of Dubai? These are all the questions that currently, of course, are under scrutiny, that are being probed right now by officials of the DRI. But what, of course, we do know at this point is that it doesn't seem like, of course, this is going to be ending anytime soon, as they've taken her custody now, of course, 14 days. And it seems like the matter, of course, is only going to be further intensifying from here.